Hello everyone, and welcome to our Easter planter class. This one is super simple. So you're going to take everything out of your bucket and take your plastic off the bucket. And everybody has a different bucket and potentially a different plant. There are tulips, there are hyacinths, and there are daffodils, mini daffodils. So anyway, you might have something different than what I'm using, but they're all about the same. So we're just going to take your pot, and that's why I said this one is super simple. We're just going to sit it right into the bucket. That way you can keep your bucket pretty. You can use it for something else. And you're just going to tuck your Easter grass all around however you want it. And you can use less. I just wanted to make sure everybody had plenty. And stuff it in there and pull any of the excess out, and you can just throw that away or use it in something else if you'd like. And just push it down in there. And then we have our bunnies, our little bunny picks. They're super cute. We're just going to put them in wherever you like. Just put them down into the soil. And there we have a super easy Easter planter, and you can use that as a centerpiece. And when you're finished, you can take the bulbs outside and plant them, or if you don't have a yard, you can give them to a neighbor to plant. So enjoy and happy Easter, everyone.